So wish we know the causes of macular degeneration. We really don't. So as I said, we know about risk factors, things like smoking, sometimes cardiovascular risk, things that like hypertension or high blood pressure, elevated lipids, serum cholesterol. Those things come and go. They're not absolute definite things that you see in all the studies, but we do know that they may have a role as well. So in addition to doing all the things you're doing, healthy living may be very important. So stopping smoking is probably a very important aspect of this. And of course, our biggest risk factor is aging. And as you heard, Sandy's aging very slowly, unlike the rest of us. So that's a good thing. If you can do what Sandy does, that's what I would promote. So the other aspect is the oxidative stress. So what is oxidative stress? That's the combination of oxygen and other things that causes these cells to react and actually turn against you. We all have mechanisms to defend this at all times, and as we get older, this defense goes down. And this